I broke our kitchen window with my hand. These horseflies are brutal this time of year, and apparently, so am I. It didn't hurt me, but replacing that window definitely will. Homestead life doesn't stop for broken windows. Just a quiet trip down to get the cabin ready for our next guests. And then, this little reminder of why we do it. Everywhere you look, something is growing. We may have harvested this a bit early, but it was pulling the greenhouse down. Protecting seedlings, homestead style. And somehow, some are actually surviving. The puppies, absolutely thriving. Eggs collected, jobs ticked off. Machines ready for the next hire. And the fruit trees, just keep giving. Some days break things, and some days remind you why you built this life.